Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, trip computer, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.